Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So this picture is pretty interesting. We've got diversions, we've had a wedge, we've got a wedge break, and we've got a crossover. The oscillator's pointing up. So not an area I want to be chasing shorts at the moment, as I've been saying for some time this week. I would rather be looking for shorts up here, round about the it's not quite the wedge target, but it is the next level of resistance that I would expect, and that's 32,432. So until then, what we want to do is be trading with the trend, and the trend will be on the lower time frames. So if we look at the 3 hour, you can see we do have a grouping of the oscillators starting to form. It's not there yet, so there's still some way to go. And what I want to do here is just adjust this. Let's put it there. So it's this swing low here we're paying attention to at the moment. So bear in mind that a break above where we are now and a retest of this area, that validates a bit of a double bottom for a move to the upside. So nothing else on the 3 hour that we need to pay attention to. If you drop down to the hour, you can see pretty solid move yesterday. We're bouncing off the 155. Oscillators get the upside. Definitely don't want to be chasing longs here. Rather wait for the pullback. The trouble is, if you look at yesterday's move, there is no area that I need to pay attention to. The most logical thing would be something like that. You can see there's a bit of resistance there, but more resistance. We've tried to find support there, it failed, a bit of rejection there, and now we're back through it, but we haven't done anything. So that is a significant level. So I would be paying attention to 31,457. If we pull back onto that and find support, I'd pay very close attention on the 15 minute. And you can see there's a bit of structure here on the 50 minute. Not much, but there is a bit there for a move back or continuation to the upside. Now, oscillators on the 15 minutes are kind of agreeing with that, but we are in a range. So you could also get a situation where that is the range. And let's just rather take yesterday's high as the top. That's the range, so bounce around in there, break the upside, find support on the high of yesterday, you can have the continuation, or alternatively break the downside, that would be the range, targets the downside, and find support here. On the 50 minute, we've got a crossover of the moving averages here. The trend has definitely reversed on the 15 minute. So that's the way I'd be playing this at the moment. Definitely not looking for shorts. Not with what happened yesterday, but I don't believe it's going to continue to the upside. I think we're going to find some area of resistance and we're going to be looking for the downside. Pure reason for that is that there are so many puts in the option market at the moment for expiry in the middle of this month. So yeah, and typically when that happens, you'll find price doing pretty much what it's been doing, big up, big down, but sort of hanging around in the area where all the options strike prices are. So yeah, I think be careful. You're definitely looking for a move up, but the question is, how far is it going to go up? Each one of these levels here are going to offer resistance. So this area is going to offer resistance. The next level of resistance is up here at 31,980. You can see there it is very clear. And then on the higher time frames, 32,432 is the top part of that resistance, or the upper part of resistance, and that's up there. And that would still validate a downward trend, a move back up into that area. It would also sort of test the 155, which we haven't quite done on the 8 hour just yet. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.